We have everything from sound attenuation to electric units to hydraulic units, trailerized units. We can do skids, we do blast cages, we do pontoons. It is really wonderful to see a chunk of steel on the ground turn into a floating pump set in the case of a pontoon. We do everything from the ground up. All of the design work is done in-house. We fabricate our pump sets as well as the assembly, electrical, and testing. We also have the capability of doing our own painting in-house, so we can customize coloring. We test all of our pumps 100%, so we can run at specific duty points if required to show the customer that the pump is going to do what we say it's going to do and what they require it to do. And we also have the ability to positive feed as well as draw from our pit, so we can do suction lift testing along with the positive feed testing. We also do digital factory acceptance testing where we can record and send reports off to the customers if required, because we do ship all over the world. I'm very proud of the ISO accreditation. It just is a testament to the procedures that we've had in place to provide a quality product to our customers. It is a very positive environment to work in. We have so many people that care about the product and care about coming into work and care about each other that it really makes for an enjoyable place to work.